Hi guys. Trying to open up my balcony, but I got a sprained wrist. Stay. No leave. I'm sorry, children. So I'm doing daily vlogs now on my life and what it feels like to be a mad scientist, AI dev in the age of AI as AI is just becoming a thing and 5% of humanity uses ChatGPT. I'm deep in the AI trenches, y'all. My hair is growing, I'm tired, I'm stressed. But today is the final day for a massive sprint for a product we're working on for one of our clients. It's called Dayloom. It's an autonomous AI marketing agent. And this agent is essentially a sole extension of the client we're working with. It's a way for him to interact with his fans digitally. It's a really interesting use case, but your boy's been stressed. I don't know if I've ever done a serious push like this, so it's a great learning experience. Learning a lot, learning how to work with people, learning how to dev with a team. Pretty fun. Been working on this fucking product for 6 months. Probably bleep that out. I don't know if YouTube likes that, but we've been working on this product for 6 months, which kind of drives me insane because I had an AI agent Twitter thing I spun up in 48 hours that ran. But I guess we're trying to scale to millions of people eventually, so we got to make sure we have a really strong base. So it does get a little frustrating, but it'll be worth it. But yeah, today I'm just working on the final sprint of that, making sure we can get the Twitter agents up and running. I'm really excited because I introduced a feature called Arc, and it is a way to give AI agents storylines. Previously, it was impossible for AI agents to give good, solid, coherent storylines on Twitter. They would just post slop all day. Instead, Dayloom, through Arcs, transforms the agents into live actors that follow a dynamic, evolving storyline that users who interact with the bot on Twitter, Discord, any other platform that exists get to be a part of the bot storyline. So it makes it really, really fun, and it makes the bots feel more alive and engaging, and combine memories and combine different interactive experiences we have. It makes the AI agents feel a lot more alive. So I do think it is a top tier platform compared to the rest with the little magic boo sauce that we got. I'm not talking about this sauce, but magic boo sauce that we got going on. I'm doing my morning routine. I just woke up. So I fed my cats, and before I touch any technology that is not this camera, because I won't count this camera, I meditate for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that before I get to work. Also, I sprained my wrist. Let's say I sprained it boxing. Kind of sucks. I'm right-handed. I work with this hand. This is my moneymaker hand, bro. So it does suck. I once was a prince, but now I am a king. I play it all down. Yeah, I feel much more alive now. Ate some food, meditated, got some sun. I got these little boo chips that we were supposed to give out. Little boo casino chips. Anyways, feeling better. It seems like we got the the difficult part out the way. I want to show you guys a little preview into the system. So these are all different workflows I got for AI systems. We have an entire workflow builder we made that lets us customize entire. This is basically a Lego system for making AI brains. Yes, that's the best way I could explain this. We made Legos for building AI brains. And this is me putting all of the Lego pieces together. This is to get the AI agent tweeting on Twitter, tweeting relevant news, replying to fans. And we could see, if we go to the scheduled tweets, we could see that it does pop up after the workflow. So it does look nice. It shows the reply we're doing. It even generated a picture, made a main tweet. So it's looking Gucci so far. I guess I'll keep grinding this away today, see what we could get done, so we get a nice demo tomorrow. And the happy client, that's what we work for. I'm about to drive to a homie's house and chill with him, do some co-working there. I get lonely, guys. I can't do this shit solo. I don't like doing it solo. Walking through the infinite hallway right now of infinite, it just doesn't stop going, bro. It just keeps on going. God, it would be so sick if I had one of those little phone mounts in the car. I just stick it to the wall Oh, I got this new It's Raining playlist with Lil Peep on it. What the fuck am I? What do I even yap about in a vlog, bro? Do I just talk? Do I just talk about random shit? In my eyes, if you want. I guess the whole point of a vlog is to take you guys on the day in the life of Boo, day in the life of an AI developer doing. You know, I think about that a lot. Tell people, oh, what do you do for work? First, I say I'm in tech, right? You never want to dox yourself. You never want to be like, oh yeah, like I'm an AI dev. Like, no, OPSEC is the most important thing you could do. Hold up, I gotta lock in real quick. OPSEC is the most important thing you could do. You never want to give people your location. You never want to tell people who you really are. It's probably doesn't really apply to me because I'm doxed recording a video. When I meet people the first time, I usually just tell them I'm in tech. Like, oh, what do you do for work? Like, oh, I'm in tech. And then I feel their vibe out. And their vibe is actually good. I'll be like, oh, actually, I'm an AI developer. I do all of this crazy tech. Yeah, I bring digital creatures to life. And they help me automate my business and run shit. I don't know. I had a really interesting conversation one time where this guy just stops me. I guess he was my age, but he stops me. He's like, oh, I'm doing I want to get to know more people challenge. And then we started talking and he asked what I did. I was like, oh, he passes the vibe check. I tell him I'm an AI developer. No, first he asked me if I was religious. And then I tell him, oh, you know what? I actually became more religious because I'm an AI developer and bringing these characters to life kind of made me question reality and what it means to be intelligent, I guess. Super fascinating conversation, but I think about that a lot. I think about what I do for work, what my whole career is. This didn't exist a year ago, bro. It didn't exist 2 years ago at all. This didn't exist 5 years ago, 100%. And like, it's just like AI agents and creating AI agent architecture and workflows and all of this shit. It didn't exist. It wasn't real. It just wasn't simply possible, you know? It was science fiction. Yeah, 10 minutes seems a lot, like it makes a lot more sense. But it would just, everything I do now when it comes to AI development and the company we started and consulting, teaching people vibe coding, bro, this didn't exist. And that blows my mind. It blows my mind that it didn't exist 2 years ago and now it does. And that is what I record videos on. That's what I teach people about. I try helping people see the light. It's like I made a funny tweet today. It didn't slap as hard as I wanted it to. But I said, writing in prompts is literally like casting a spell, bro. You say words and you invoke a digital entity to do your bidding for you. When you talk to ChatGPT and you ask it to do something for you, bro, you're using your words, you're using the English language or any language you speak to then invoke this magical AI system that understands how to do the task you ask it to, and then it does it for you. And then you got what I do, which is making more advanced AI agent systems and AI agent workflows and putting this all together, which makes even more advanced invocations and spells, especially as you know how to do it. And then you got these fucking LARPs, bro, that touch you once and they're like, oh, AI sucks. Oh, you know AI's never gonna be able to do this. Like, shut, you're a muggle. You're meant to be a muggle for the rest of your life and I cannot help you, but you, my friend, who watch the tutorials and keep an open mind and watch the AI videos and are for some reason listening to me yap in my car right now, you are not a muggle. You're a wizard. You're basically Harry Potter. Another thing I like saying is that sci-fi is no longer science fiction. It's just reality. Like the Terminator, Detroit Become Human, all of these sci-fi games are just now reality, and it's rapidly becoming that. And I find that so fascinating that all of these ideas of sci-fi originate from the human mind. And I think the fact that we were able to conceptualize AI and rocket ships and science and all of these crazy things as a concept, the fact that they're a reality now pretty much just tells me that if we could conceive the idea in our head, it is simply possible. It's a matter of how we do it, not if it's possible. It is possible. We just got to figure out the steps. And my God, we have figured out a lot of steps when it came to AI systems. A lot of them.
I once was a prince, but now I am a king. I play it all down, but now I'm gonna play.
Do they have other spots with the private jet?
I don't know. The private jet is.
That's what I do. That's what I do with her.
What do you mean you don't know? Oh my God. How is this more entertaining than talking about the private jet?
It's way more.
I forget how pretty LA is at times. Check this out.
Once was a prince, but now I am a king. I play it all down, but now.
There's some so sexy. about seeing pull requests get merged into the code base. Mwah. I forgot to record in the midday, but you know, TLDR, chill with the homies. It was fun, got work done. I'm about to do some chores right now. Meanwhile, while I am going to work on my chores, I have hopefully what is the final push before I have all of these features nice and ready. You know, we go back to Dayloom. I got this chat interface feature I'm working on. I just got some minor notifications. That way, if you make a character and you set the personality and models and all that, you could chat with it and instantly get the vibe on site. Also, it's just really fun to talk with the models in general. We got arcs nicely implemented, so our characters follow a dynamic storyline people interact with. We got the memory server integrated nicely, so you can modify all the memories your AI agent has access to and check them out and play with it, modify his memories. I don't know if that's morally okay. Finally got the workflow system, which allows us to essentially make an N8N/Zapier type of builder, except this is focused on building one AI character's brain out. So we made our own workflow system to make doing all of these different workflow integrations and such very versatile and easy, and allows us to make AI agents that suit literally any kind of use case. So this is a nice change Rob made. So I'm working on this code base with my co-founder Rob right now. But we got a nice little UI change. We could see the triggers for all of this. I have a couple workflows which lets the AI agent tweet. So this one makes the AI agent generate a main tweet. This one makes the bot reply to music tweets, crypto tweets. This one lets the bot reply to mentions. And then I have one that generates main tweet with image. So like early phrase, but we've been working on this for 6 months. Mostly with the intention of scaling up to potentially hundreds of thousands of AI agents running on our server, growing, evolving. It'll be super fun. Everything is finally coming together. It's been oh boy, it's been a little mission. I will say that. I will say that. But sick. We got our client demo tomorrow, which I'm excited to do. I'll be doing the demoing and see how that goes. Well, I really like how this camera just follows me. That's so cool. But yes, I will be doing the demoing tomorrow. And after that, your boy needs a break because I'm burning myself out, spraining my wrist. Which is not fun. I'm right-handed, by the way. Also, these are my money makers, so I gotta be really careful with my fingers. I mean, at least, you know, worst case happens. The voice tech that's coming out with AI means I could just talk into my system, but these are my money makers, so I need to be more careful with them. What else we got going on? I got another big client project to work on right after this. So tomorrow we'll get the Twitter functionality working nice. AI agents will be able to start talking on Twitter, so we can start getting analytics, doing some more fun stuff. And then I'm working on this very special project, which I cannot legally talk about. But right after I finish work for that, I have the Bitcoin conference to go to, where I will be talking about AI in Bitcoin and vibe coding. It's actually gonna be a really fun panel. I'm excited when I saw the questions. And then I'm gonna have the Satoshi AI agent at the Bitcoin conference that people would talk to right after I speak on panel. So they gave me a great alley-oop. I'm very excited for it. But yeah, that's that. It's getting late. I gotta finish this up, get some good sleep. And this is Louis. Louis wants to say hello. Meow. This is my other cat, Finchy. Say bye. What up, else? Yay. I'm glad you're alive. You're gonna... I mean, that's me, bro. That's me with basically everything we're doing now. It's like I like staying up late because I like making things, and then I like waking up early because I need more time in the day to make things.
I once was a prince, but now I am a king. I play it all down, but now I'm gonna bleed. Cause I may as well embrace the blood clot team.
Murder, kill that shit, bro. Look at the platform. I'm actually really excited. But kind of walking through is just, it feels so much more complete. We got the we got the dashboard, we got the profile, we got the characters you could make, we got the chat interface where you could talk, you know, with the agent, do all of the stuff. You got the arcs for the agent, you know, you got the memories, we got the memory system working all well and everything. And then we got the workflow, we got our Lego builder for the AI brain, that's all connected with the data. And it just works really well. Here's all the scheduled tweets and tweets to post. even get image tweets generated by the agent itself. But it's been a long time coming for this platform. I guess it fully replaces your social media. I don't want to say fully replaces, but it's essentially 24/7 autonomous social media management for companies. So hit me up if you want that. I'm gonna go to bed, bro.